For number 4, right there on the right-hand side, can you see something special? There's no x right there, right? And the denominator too, okay, not having an x, so you gotta fit it in. And now you can choose to rewrite it, but for time's sake, you can also just say, all right, put an arrow. Just tell yourself that there's a missing term. And when you do your long division setup, not ox. I know we're doing redox in chemistry, but it's not the oxidation stuff. Yeah. Right, so now we are upping the game just a little bit. So it's like a 4-digit number divided by a 3-digit number, which is a good thing because it means that it won't be too long. It should be kind of short. Let me go ahead and make the missing term stand out so that when you go home and watch this video again, you'll be like, oh yeah, I recognize that the missing term is there. So we ask, same question, 3x squared times what gives you 12x cubed? 4x, right? And what you can see here is I also align my quotient to my dividend. Like if it's the same power, I try to align them together so that it's more organized. And then 4 times 0 will be 0x squared. All right, and then you do the subtraction. So therefore, you have 9x squared to bring down. And then you also bring down 0x. Minus 5 as well, because you have a, oh, sorry, my bad. I forgot that it's a 3-digit number. I forgot to do the 8x here. My bad. So so you have 9x squared minus 8x. And then you bring down the negative 5. And then we ask, huh? 4x times 2. Yeah, I forgot to multiply the 2 with the 4x earlier. So 3x squared times what gives you 9x squared? 3, right? So I really hope that you can visualize this process and see the parallel between this division with the long division back in the old days. Okay, so this division would yield the answer of 4x plus 3 plus negative 8x minus 11 over 3x squared plus 2. Okay, now you may, I'm going to write this down. I would accept this answer, but I want you to, you know, push the envelope a little bit more further. Where? Well, 0x, when we do the long division, we need to put the 0x, but when we present our answers, they have no place to be there. So so what I want you to do is to think about the numerator here in the remainder, the numerator here. You can actually factor out the negative to make this a subtraction. And if you do that, the numerator will become 8x plus 11. Okay. So I will take both, but I would really hope that you can see how we get the second one.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so we simply factor the negative and make the plus to a minus. All right, now, so let's go to number 5.